Are you looking for a beautiful home with room to spread out, low maintenance yard, and RV parking? Well, this well cared for gem in this lovely neighborhood has it all. Step into this 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home and notice the expansive living room, vaulted ceilings, wood laminate flooring, and don't miss the spacious kitchen with double pantry. You'll love this split bedroom floor plan. It has a relaxing primary retreat with walk-in closet, ensuite bathroom, and tiled shower with dual shower heads. Enjoy easy living in this fully fenced backyard with covered patio, xeriscape landscaping, shed, and large RV parking. My name's Alyssa Needham. Thank you so much for joining me on this home tour today. Be sure to reach out if you have any questions, and don't forget to like and follow for more home tours.